This is our laser sensing head. In the circuit you will have the power supply, the LED strip and the sensor unit itself. This is the one zone sensor unit where you can have one sensor attached. This is the sensor head. It's a really compact and discreet design. It has a 1 meter cable for flexible placement and an easy snap fit design into the sensor unit. This sensor detects a person or object in front of the sensor. It has a 0.05 to 2.5 meter detection distance and a narrow 10-degree detection angle, providing accurate triggering. You can set the detection distance and delay times using the set key on the sensor head. The delay times can be 2 to 60 seconds. This sensor is perfect for staircases, courtyards, aisles, directional lighting, counters and corridors, wherever there is movement. There are 2 options for setting this sensor. You have auto ranging, where if there is no obstacle in the way once powered on, it will be set to 2.5 meters as default. If there is an obstacle, it will set to that distance. So if there is something in front of the sensor 1 meter away, it would set the detection distance to 1 meter. You can also have manual ranging, where using the set key, you can click it to set the distance or long press for a certain amount of time to set the time delay. The factory default time delay is 2 seconds if it is not changed.